welcome back to another episode of Baking with Becca. Who else loves the fall season and all things pumpkin? You too? Good, because today we'll be making pumpkin chocolate chip muffins. They're a quick bread, which like the name implies, means they're super easy to whip together. They're soft, they're chocolatey. Who doesn't love a bit of chocolate? So with all that said, let's get started. Before we begin, here's the list of ingredients you'll need to bake this recipe. Begin by preheating your oven to 400 degrees and go ahead and grab your muffin tins. You can coat them with a non-stick spray or you can use some paper baking cups to line them. Grab yourself 2 large mixing bowls, one for the dry ingredients and one for the wet. We'll begin with our dry ingredients over here. I have 3 cups of flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 2 teaspoons baking soda, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. I'll just stir that gently to combine. And we'll move on to our wet ingredients. In here, I have 4 eggs, 2 cups of sugar, 1 16-ounce can of pumpkin puree, and 1.5 cups of vegetable oil. I'm going to use a hand mixer and mix that together until it's nice and smooth. When shopping for your ingredients for the recipe, make sure you get a can of pure pumpkin puree. You don't want to use pumpkin pie filling, as that has extra sugar in it. Now we'll take our dry ingredients and add them gradually until they're smooth. Don't forget to wipe down the sides of your bowl. Just take a spatula and bring it all the way around. I always just leave the mixer in the bowl right here because I don't like getting drips on my counter. And then scrape it on the side there, not to waste. And mix it one more time. Alright, now for the fun part that makes it oh so tasty. We're going to add in 2 cups of semi-sweet chocolate chips. Go ahead and toss them in. And then we don't need the mixer for this, we're just going to fold them in with our spatula. Alright, now we're ready to go ahead and fill up our muffin tins and get these bad boys in the oven. Now that our batter is all done, it's ready for our tins. So just take a scoop and we're going to fill these 3/4 of the way full. All of our muffins are ready to go. Since I used liners for mine, the batter spread a little bit further, so I got 34 muffins out of it. Now we'll go into the oven for about 16 to 20 minutes or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out mostly dry. Let's get them in the oven. Yay! Look at all these muffins! I'm so excited to take a bite. But first, a really quick wrap up. So, all in all, these baked for just 17 minutes because we're at such a high temp. So just make sure to monitor them closely so that the bottoms don't burn. Second of all, after you take them out, let them cool inside the muffin tins for just 5 minutes. Then turn them out onto a cooling rack so that the bottoms don't get soggy. So now with all that said, let's go ahead and take a bite. I'm so excited. Ready? Whoa, oh my gosh, look at that chocolate. So excited. All right, let's take a bite. They're so soft, they have the perfect amount of pumpkin, the chocolate just comes in with an extra bang at the end. They're so good. I hope you enjoy them just as much as I do. Have a good day.